Alright, and here's Sandstorm Leia with her garment, and she comes with this rubber piece of hood thing, and a piece of poncho which is removable, and then a pair of glasses too, translucent glasses, you can see through them, and this Tusken Raider staff thing. But there he is. I mean, there she is. And there's the back side. Alright, once you remove the hood, the poncho, and the goggles, you will have Slave Leia underneath. This is what she looks like. Head sculpt is okay. At least she looks like a woman instead of a man, like all the other female characters. What they did before, yeah, they don't look too good. There she is. And here's the back of Princess Leia, the Slave Leia. And as far as articulation, head is on a ball joint, shoulders a ball hinge, elbows a ball hinge, wrists a swivel, and the chest there's a ball joint, then the hips are swivel, and then the knees are ball hinged, and then the ankles are also ball hinged. And I really do like the fact that the chest articulation, that joint right there, it's molded, well, they sculpted right underneath the bra strap, so that's kind of cool. Alright, and here's my diorama so far, and we have C-3PO, Lando, what is this, I forgot this thing, Salacious Crumb, and Jabba, and we have the Princess Leia, right there, and Boba, all the way at the edge over there. And there you go. Thanks for watching.